Sure, so my name is Tonya McCaulley. My title is many titles. I'm an Agile Coach, I'm an Agile Strategist and Transformation Advisor, and I'm a curriculum designer and trainer. Sure, so as an instructor, I have a couple different things. I have 3 degrees, first of all. I have a psychology degree, a social sciences degree, and an education degree. And all 3 of those allow me to really reiterate the Agile mindset in my courses. We don't just do Agile, we be Agile. And so I really hone in on that with my students and start from the ground up when we're even talking about the processes and the events of the Scrum team or the whole organization. Sure, so previous experience that I've had with coaching as well as training, I've led entire organization transformations, whether it be very large pharmaceutical companies or very small companies that still have a lot of influence over the entire world and or United States. I've led those companies as well as trained at many different Fortune 50, Fortune 100, Fortune 500 companies. And that allows me to really use those experiences and real life situations in my coursework. So you're actually just not getting theory with me, you're actually getting real life situations. Sure, so my approach to start with is talking about a haircut. Talk about very simple situations that apply to every day and how you can apply Agile in your own life and how you can start to see it in different situations. We use Agile at my house. I taught my daughter how to use a Kanban board at age 5 to clean her bedroom. My boys will not clean their bedroom without user stories and acceptance criteria now because they know exactly what done is. So I don't have to walk back and forth all the time. I use those real life situations in class. And I break it down very simple for especially new learners. When I first learned Agile, I walked out of a classroom being still totally confused about what Agile was the first time I ever sat in a boot camp. I had no idea. It didn't make sense to me. But I break it down very easy for people to understand it.